Welcome to Bizworld, I'm Nurin Razmyn. Tourism Malaysia will adopt a holistic approach to boost Chinese tourist arrivals by enhancing visitors' experience. This approach includes deploying Chinese proficient staff at key entry points, partnering with educational institutions, and utilizing Chinese social media influencers. Tourism Malaysia Director General Manoharan Priyasamy said they are also collaborating with airlines to offer direct flights from secondary and tertiary Chinese cities. Malaysia has local airlines operating out of China, and Tourism Malaysia is also working with Chinese-based carriers like Long Air, China Eastern, and China Southern. Help desks staffed with Chinese-speaking officers will also assist tourists with digital documents and entry procedures, providing an efficient arrival experience. Manoharan also emphasized on the added advantage of Malaysia, which is the large ethnic Chinese population here. As such, Chinese nationals can easily fit in and feel at home when they visit, further enhancing Malaysia's appeal. The current high crude palm oil (CPO) prices is unsustainable due to the narrowing discounts between CPO and soybean oil, and also the impending seasonal palm output recovery, as well as the absence of notable demand push catalysts. According to Hong Leong Investment Bank research, CPO prices have appreciated by 23.7% to 4,511 ringgit metric ton. This brings year-to-date price to average 4,042 ringgit metric ton on the back of weak production prospects and tight supplies. The research firm said the CPO's narrowed price discounts against soy oil, palm's impending seasonal output recovery, as well as the absence of notable demand push catalysts, indicate that current high CPO price will not sustain over the longer term. The banking industry is working closely with regulators and enforcement agencies to secure banking systems and digital platforms to enhance security measures. These enhancements will include identifying and freezing banking accounts associated with scammers and mule account holders. The Bank Association said since July last year, the banking industry has implemented 5 key measures to further defend against user scams. They include replacing short messaging service one-time password with a more secure authentication method, tightening fraud detection rules, performing a cooling-off period for first-time registration of online banking access, allowing only a single mobile device or secure device to be registered, as well as enabling a 24/7 dedicated complaint channel for customers. Seven out of 9 initial public offerings, IPO, closed at a premium in the first quarter of this year. According to Bursa Digital Research, the industrial products and services sector performance stood out, with an average increase of 84.7% in stock prices. The Seoul Business Trust listing increased 2.1%, while the transportation and logistics sector saw a price decline by 8.6%. Similarly, the healthcare sector listing saw a decrease of 1.6%, leaving 7 stocks closing higher than their IPO prices and 2 stocks closing below initial listing prices. The best performing IPO was Master Tech, whose stock price soared by 156.4%. These 9 companies altogether raised 1.31 billion ringgit through their IPOs, with a total market value of 4 billion ringgit. Malaysian equities closed mixed after a lackluster trading session today, in tandem with the performance across the region. At 5 p.m., the FBM KLCI lost 2.47 points to 1,551.04. However, market breadth was slightly positive, with 580 gainers against 515 losers, while 470 traded unchanged. Rakuten Trade Research believes the outlook of Malaysian equities will remain stable next week, supported by their strong fundamentals and cheap valuations. As such, the firm reckons bargain hunting will emerge. And that's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Nurin Razmyn. Keep tuning in to TV3.